This assembly fixture provides a prime example of one of the usages of datum locators that are defined by the NX Tooling Locator application. The appearance of clamp arms and push-up pins are good indicators that datum locators have been defined on the product data. Let's isolate this rail to demonstrate the creation of datum locators. Datum surfaces. Notice when we first select a surface to put this datum locator that two coordinates are provided and the third is projected. We can easily type in the values of exactly where we want to put this surface datum, and the third value will be projected. This way we get nice even values for our surface datum. Notice that the control direction has already been selected for us, and characteristics are easily accessible to us where we can select those specific attribute values. We're going to put a cuboid shape to represent this surface datum. In order to do that, we have to orient it, so we'll pick a vector. The vector will go along with one of the major coordinate axes. Once we give it a length and a width, you'll notice that cuboid datum represents our surface datum. And that matches one of those arms that you saw on the assembly fixture. Let's go ahead and create another surface datum. This time, however, we'll change the shape. We're going to use the what I would call a donut shape. Let's first indicate the X and the Y coordinate values. The Z will be projected. Again, nice round values. Characteristics can be customized by each customer. Now, what we actually call this is a hollow cylinder. You define the outside radius and then the inner radius for this shape, saying OK, and it has created a surface datum with that shape. Now, the last thing I want to show you is the creation of a datum pin and the associating of the width of this slot to the diameter of that datum pin. So the first thing that I did is I measured that slot and created a expression. I'll look at the expression and I notice it's called P3 there. So now when I go to create this datum pin, I need to select the boundary of where that pin is. The algorithm will find the center of that slot for us. Okay, again, the control direction is defined for us. That's based on the coordinate system. Okay, 6 are available. And now when I come down to the radius, I'll specify that expression divided in half. And you'll notice that that pin fits nicely into that slot. And if we just take a quick look at the information, you can see that that pin radius matches the width of that slot. And those are the enhancements that we did for datums in 2306.